Well, that was my list, guys. I just wanted to talk a little bit about the process of building your business. And I have, I'm very confident that December is going to be a great month for all of us. My recommendation is to figure out how to get to 299 in new sales this month. And because the triple generational bonus, this may be the last month that this is not part of the compensation plan. It for our at our level, the difference in the check is very, very significant from just and what our quota is 499 with a certain number of auto ships. So it's really important for all of us that are working in this business to know number of auto ships that you have, and then the number of really the sales dollars of new volume that you want to create. Because remember, if it's 299, we got to have a list, say, of 30 people in order for us to get 299 in new volume without stressing yourself out through the holidays. So that's just a recommendation because you might not need the money, but there's somebody that does. And your ability to master the fundamentals of learning how to create income from a business like this can change someone's life and give them freedom that really traditional corporate America cannot do. So I appreciate you guys every day. You inspire me. I'm so grateful that you guys got on this call. And I'm going to go ahead and stop the record. And I'm going to stay on for another minute. If you guys have anything else that you would like to share or any questions that you have.
Hey, Lisa, I would like to say that, you've talked about energy and dripping on people. I tell you, if people are not on this call, this is where I draw energy from, by Friday or something. I mean, you're just tired of it, you just tired of it. And my battery gets re-energized every time I'm on this call. And you just don't need to miss this call, because it's just personal. Everybody tells things and shares because we're all good friends on this call, and nobody's afraid to hold something back. And my battery's recharged every time I get on this call, and I people just don't need to miss this. It's just that.
Thank you for that.
Mm-hmm.
Jenny,
I agree
and
with Jenny. I'm grateful for this call, and I'm grateful for Susan and her reminder because it worked, because I had no idea what day it was. So I'm glad to be here this time. It's few and far between because, well, I'm not sitting still right now, but I'm grateful. So thank you.
That's awesome, Lauren. So Susan was your reminder?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that Susan Everett? Susan as in Everett?
Yes.
Susan Everett, you get extra credit. If she's still around, she might have already bailed.
No, I have. I text her. I try to remember and text her every week, every 2 weeks, every time before the meeting.
That is so awesome, Susan. That's a beautiful thing. And your mom is still with us, Lauren. And
Yes,
and that's kind of the beauty. And from my standpoint, we all know that we've gone through some trials together. But at the end of the day, it's just the beauty of the tapestry that this team is. And even Judy Peppercorn, who's brand new on this call, there's a lot to learn. There's a lot of people to learn.
Yeah, there
But
sure is.
what was that?
I said there sure is. I'm overwhelmed. I
Hey,
need a
you know
lot of
what?
help. I need a lot of help.
That's
Yep.
the beauty. All we need, Judy, really, this is the cool thing about Zalise. It's a partnership. And we just need to partner with you to learn who you want to help. And that's what we do together. So you don't have to recreate the wheel, and you don't have to know what we know. You don't want our personalities. Definitely don't want mine. But it's a beautiful thing. It's the partnership. And we learn from each other. We learn from the business. And at the end of the day, we want to be the very best version of ourselves that we can be in service to humanity. And that's really what drives the people on this call. So love each of you guys. Judy, you're in good company, both Judys.
Okay. Thank you.
But Judy
Looking forward to
Peppercorn,
meeting you.
if you can learn to bake cookies like Judy Baker, we'll like you even more. No, I'm just teasing. We like you a lot anyway. We're glad you're a part of it. I look forward to meeting you on December 19th.
Yeah, you too.
What time?
Somebody ask a question?
We'll stay up and wait on them, or?
No, I just told my when.
I think that was Connie Grease. Connie, was that you? I thought I heard her voice. Well, listen, guys, it is
It
almost
was
past
me.
your. It was it Connie.
It
Connie
was
Grace.
me. Yeah, I don't know. That keeps going on and off. I really don't like this computer.
Hey, but you're on, and we're so grateful that you're on, and we'll look
Well,
forward to
I
seeing
I
you.
am lucky enough that I have people that call me to remind me, and sometimes I can make it, and sometimes I just can't.
Well, hey, man, we got this little list going of people calling people. I love that
That's
our
right.
team is helping each other.
Yeah, it helps a lot, a lot.
Well, listen, we look forward to seeing you in Evansville, girl. December
Yes.
the 20th through the 25th. We're going to find a
Okay.
time with the Todds as well. And thank you, Melissa. It's good to see you on the call. It's good to see everybody. You guys will see you on the Freedom Call tomorrow night.
Yes.
And go make your funnels. Lots of love to everybody.
Big
Bye.
hugs, everybody.
Good night.
Night.
No, no.
Good night.